Good morning, my lovely stars. Today, we will talk about something very important. Respecting our parents. Parents are the ones who take care of us, love us, and make sure we have everything we need. When we listen to them, help them, and speak kindly, we show them respect. And now, little joke. Why did the baby tomato say to the big tomato, "Catch up, mommy"? Just like the baby tomato follows its mommy, we must also follow our parents with love and respect. Always remember, when you respect your parents, you become their little superhero. So let's promise to make our parents proud every day.